Unlock the secrets to crafting your own captivating progressive house anthem, from driving beats to euphoric breakdowns. Let's dive straight into building the foundation of our progressive house track. The kick will select a punchy, slightly longer kick with a good amount of thump to anchor our rhythm. Next, we'll add a groovy percussion loop. Think shakers, hi-hats, and maybe a clap to create that signature driving energy. Layering these subtly will add depth and movement. Now, for the bassline, a classic rolling bass pattern is key in progressive house. We'll craft a synth patch with a warm, rounded tone, and program a melodic sequence that complements the kick. Melody is where progressive house truly shines. We'll create a memorable synth lead, focusing on a pleasing tone and a melody that builds emotion. Think arpeggiated patterns or sustained, soaring notes. The breakdown is our chance to create tension and release. We'll strip back some elements, introduce atmospheric pads, and build anticipation before the main drop. For the drop, we'll bring back the kick and bass with full force, layering in our lead, melody, and any supporting synth elements. This is where the energy peaks. Now, let's consider arrangement. We'll typically start with an intro, build through verses and breakdowns, hit a powerful drop, and then use a similar structure for subsequent sections, gradually evolving the energy. Sound design is crucial. We'll focus on evolving sounds, using filters, LFOs, and creative effects like reverb and delay to give our track character and make it breathe. Mixing is about clarity and balance. We'll ensure each element has its own space using EQ and compression, and carefully balance levels for a clean, professional sound. Finally, mastering is the last step. We'll use limiting and final EQ to make our track loud, cohesive, and ready for playback on any system. And there you have it, your very own progressive house track, ready to make people move.